My name's Iain Styles. I'm a Professor of Computer Science in the School of Electronics, Electrical Engineering and Computer Science at Queen's, and I lead the Centre for Intelligent Sustainable Computing within the school. So my job involves a number of different strands of activity. I'm an academic, so I do research, I teach, and I contribute to the running of the school and in parts to the wider university. I run a research programme in artificial intelligence for science and engineering, developing new AI technologies that help to solve important problems in the sciences and engineering disciplines. I work very closely with scientists in other disciplines, with medical scientists, with chemists, and with engineers to help develop techniques that can solve some of their outstanding questions. I teach a module called Knowledge Engineering on the MSc in Artificial Intelligence, which is a really rapidly growing programme in the school and is really training students to be at the forefront of that area in the future. Typical day, well, there is no such thing. Every day is different. So in term time, every Monday I teach all day. Every Friday I meet all of my students and postdocs. Days in between, I could be going to London for a one-day meeting. I could be working up at the Queen's Titanic Quarter, working with the team at Belfast Legion City Deal, team at Momentum 1.0. I really see a tremendous variety of things, which means that the job is never boring. I think for me, because I work at the intersection of AI and the sciences and engineering, I get to learn about just such a tremendous variety of things. So I know more about proteins and protein folding than I feel like I should, given what my job title is. I think that sort of breadth of knowledge, which I think is quite unusual nowadays, is the thing that I think people would probably find a little bit surprising, that I can talk knowledgeably about some of those things. One of the things that I've found quite surprising is the amount of interaction I get to have with the local government, local industry, and in helping to shape some of the ideas and that will drive forward the future of Northern Ireland and its economy. But it's one of the reasons why I came here. I think my proudest moment will come when my first PhD student graduates. That will be the real moment. I taught on the first cohort of the MSc in Artificial Intelligence. It was one of the first things I did, and it was really nice to see that first cohort of students go through. I'd probably pick out that as my proudest moment to date. So what advice would I give to people starting out at Queen's? Get to know people, get to understand how things work. Be aware that everything you do at Queen's has a person behind it somewhere. That's a route to a productive and happy career. Recognising that everything is ultimately about people, and putting people at the heart of what you do is just super important.